Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I want to share with you guys how to make your very own DTF page setup. So if you guys want to skip this video, there's going to be a link down in the description below. There's going to be a link to the PSD and the PNG, so you guys are going to be able to print any type of print, because the main thing in this video I'm going to be covering is basically how white prints, you cannot print them if it's only your white logo. So having this DTF page setup is going to ensure that you can always print your page if you load your logo in the setup beforehand and you insert it into the AcroRip software. From there, once you actually insert it, you're going to be able to print no matter what. The DTF page setup is also a very nice way to diagnose your printer to see if all 4 colors are printing properly. So let's get right into it, guys. The first thing you want to do is come over here and open up Photoshop. Once you open up Photoshop, you're going to have a page like this. You want to click New, File, New, and then from there, these are going to be your new settings. So you want to go here and change pixels to inches. Once you're on inches, you want to do 11.75 inches by 16.5 inches, and you want to make sure that pixels per inch is at 300. Create. After you create your document, the next thing is going to be to insert a new layer. Click on layer 1, click this paint tool and select a neutral color, not white or black. I would choose something like gray. So when you load a black or white logo, you're going to be able to see it. If ever you want to save the layer, make sure that you always click this. So this removes the visibility of the layer. So when you save, you make sure that you remove the background. After that, you want to click here on the top, guys, where it says View, and on the drop down, New Guide. You're going to see horizontal, 0 inches, click 50 and the %, and then enter. This is going to create a horizontal line across your document. View, New Guide once again, vertical this time, and 50%. As you can see, we now have our center. Let's load a logo, just for example, like this. Now this is how your page setup is going to look like. From there, you can scale up your logo or down using Ctrl-T. The next step for us is going to be to add 4 squares. We want to make the squares relatively small so we don't take up too much of our actual space. So the first color is going to be black. I'm going to place it like this, and from there, we're just going to be duplicating some layers. We're also going to be changing the color of all of the squares. This one is going to be red or magenta. The next one is going to be yellow. And the last one is going to be blue. And we're also going to put a final white one. Perfect, guys. So now we're going to have a proper diagnostic of how the colors are printing, and it's not taking up too much space, and we can even scale them down if we want. Something like this. I'm going to put this at the top, and now from now on, when we want to save our document, let's say this is the only logo we're printing, we can even place it a bit upwards like this, and from there we can remove the background, file, save as PNG and or PSD if you want to rework on the file format eventually, but we're going to do it as a PNG, and we're just going to do tester. So this is how you save your file. And now, guys, once you load it into your AcroRip software, you're going to be able to print your logo, even if your logo is something like this. Even if your logo is completely white, since there's these squares right here, you're going to be able to print it as you like. So this video is really straightforward. There's going to be 2 links in the description. There's going to be 2 links in the description down below. One is going to be the PNG, and the other is going to be the PSD if you'd like to work this file and use this template in your own computer for future projects. So I hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.